Let's fix the Roblox no internet error in 1 minute. First, confirm your device can load a web page. If pages fail, reboot your router now, unplug for 10 seconds then plug back in. Next, close Roblox and restart your device before continuing. On Windows, open Network Settings and toggle the Wi-Fi adapter off and on. If that doesn't work, change DNS to Google 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 in Adapter Properties. Open Command Prompt as admin and run IP protocol configuration/flushes to clear stale DNS entries. Then run IP protocol configuration/release and IP protocol configuration/renew to refresh your IP address. Open your firewall settings and allow Roblox through, including UDP ports 49152 to 65535. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the Roblox client from the official site. On mobile, switch to cellular data, on console check NAT type, and contact your ISP if still offline. Quick checklist: reboot router, change DNS, flush DNS, allow firewall, reinstall. Try Roblox again, you should be connected.